Sister. Ooh. What's in the gift box? No, I'm not waiting anymore. It's so hard to open. Perfume? Ew, it's Lemonhead. Ooh. Wait. Sister, get out of my room. Sorry. I wanted to open the box. I'm leaving. Hi, people. This is why sisters are annoying. 5 ways, because I like 10 sometimes. Okay. Number 1. Sneaking in your room when you are not home. When you were home, just looking at something. Sister, out of my room. Sorry. Number 2, screaming in your, saying something over and over, saying your name over and over again. Alexis. What? Alexis. What? Alexis. Stop it. Number 3, poking. Emily, stop it. Fine. Number 4, sneaking. Number 4, banging on your door when they want nothing. Nothing. And number 5, sneaking in, talking while you're going to the bathroom, telling your friend something bad that you didn't even say. Okay, I'm going to go to the bathroom. Okay, I don't really need to know. Okay then, bye. Alexis says you're fat and stupid, and she said she doesn't want to be your friend anymore. Oh, she did? I'll have to tell her that the same thing. Alexis, your sister said I'm fat, ugly, and you don't want to be my friend anymore. I never said that. Yeah, sisters are stupid. And that is 5 ways sisters are annoying. Hi, you didn't get to see the boyfriend in it, but you probably saw him over there. Hey. Ow. His name's Brian. He's not the boyfriend, he's the brother.